Are you drowning in deadlines, feeling like a hamster on a stress wheel? You're not alone. But before you resign yourself to perpetual anxiety, consider this: stress management isn't about mountaintop retreats or chanting, it's about reclaiming your calm in everyday moments. Join this stress management masterclass as we transform your mental wellness with actionable tips so delicious, you'll be saying, "Nay must, stress," by the end. Ready to swap burnout for balance? Hit that like button and subscribe because we're redefining stress management. Forget restrictive regimes and one-size-fits-all solutions. Here, you'll discover personalized methods to melt away tension and cultivate inner peace. First, let's address the elephant in the to-do list. Feeling overwhelmed? Embrace the micro-chill. Break down monumental tasks into bite-sized actions, celebrate small wins, and watch your anxiety shrink like a deflated balloon. Remember, progress, like Serenity, builds one manageable step at a time. Next, tap into the power of movement. It doesn't need to be a grueling gym session. A playful dance break in your pajamas, a sun-drenched walk, or a mindful yoga flow. Find your sweet spot, get your body moving, and watch endorphins chase away your worries. Your body and mind are a powerful duo. Sometimes, all it takes is a change of rhythm to harmonize your internal melody. Bonus tip: nature is your silent stress therapist. Trade screen time for a stroll in the park. Listen to the wind whispering through leaves instead of deadlines buzzing in your head. Immerse yourself in the calming symphony of nature. It reminds you that even the mightiest trees weather storms, and so can you. Remember, stress isn't an enemy to conquer, it's a messenger to listen to. Acknowledge it, understand its source, then gently redirect it with these micro-chills, body grooves, and nature whispers. You'll become a maestro of your mental well-being, conducting the orchestra of your life with composure and grace. Thank you for joining the Stress Management Masterclass. If you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and explore more stress-busting strategies on our channel. Let's cultivate a thriving landscape of mental well-being together, one calming sip at a time.